Hey guys, it's a new tutorial about the TikTok application. Right now I will show you how to refresh your feed on TikTok in the settings. Friends, this tutorial will be definitely very useful for you if you absolutely don't like your feed, your For You page. So you need to go to the TikTok settings and to refresh this page at all to customize the whole videos on your feed and personalize it to fit your interests and preferences. So let's open the TikTok app, guys. Right now we are on the profile, but we have to tap on these three lines icon at the corner of the screen and click on the settings. And friends, right now we have the content preferences settings. Let's click on it also. And friends, we have the refresh your For You feed option. Let's tap on it and tap on this red K at the bottom of the screen. Let's click on the refresh. Right now we have the notification that our For You page is refreshed from now on, but we also have to choose the reason why we want to refresh it. For example, I will use the last one, the useless content. Okay. And guys, we can also describe another reason why, but I will submit my selected one. And well done. Right now, as you can check, we can also send some feedback, but I don't want to do it. Let's check our feed. So we will go to the home. And okay, so I actually can say that my For You page is a new. I didn't have such football, definitely. I didn't have such videos on my For You page before. So let's check it. Yes, so I can say that we just refreshed and go to the default For You page to have an option. Check a new popular videos, to check our interests on the TikTok, to go back to the default settings, I can say, and have a new fresh For You page. So if you like it, if you want to make your TikTok very interesting, for example, you can get rid of annoyed video on a TikTok and have some useful and interesting content. You can repeat our presented settings from this tutorial. And also guys, don't forget that on our channel you will get a lot of other tricks about the TikTok app and other programs you can use and manage your applications on the phone. So guys, thanks for watching, thanks for likes, and goodbye.